have a little ball like you're going to play ball. Mon gon boule devant Fantou Vivi.
What?
This ball in front of your stomach, what is that?
Oh, that's baby goat.
Baby goat? Ma fils est sous ma capable.
This is all over the place.
You have 1,000 people watching you. Say hi. 1,100. Flip your hair for them. Flip your hair. Bonsoir tout le monde. Bonsoir tout le monde.
Bonsoir tout le monde.
Comment nous y est? Comment nous y est? Sac passé.
Sac passé. You don't ever get hot in this?
Mais comment va tout faire paraître comme ça?
Listen, do you want to put on the dress?
Non, but pas comprendre de la sou, Vivi. Vire de ba moi boudon la donne. Ou gen bel bouda, but devon pas bon. Devon, non, devon. Come here. Montre-moi comment me construire. Bon, t'as fait petit pit là, un coup de poing vide là. Ok, Vivi. Comment me compte caper? Comment me caper la photo, yo? Bon, moi. Ma pisse est sous cabane. Papa, mettez-moi. Comment?
You do a little one like this. Instead of falling.
That's how mommy take pictures.
Yes. You do a little poke.
Uh-huh.
Or when you're sitting down. I don't have a chair. You don't have a chair in here?
There's this chair. Remove the clothes on top of this you put there. Maman, comment chita? Comment chita?
Okay. This is how you sit.
Montre-moi non blanc.
You sit like this, right? And you act like you're looking at something, but you're not.
Quelle belle petite, mais j'aime d'abord une petite la
And you
sauce.
stand up, and then you do the other one.
Ah, Vivi, par contre, fais photo comme ça.
And then you walk like, oh, you know what's even better? Come on, stand over here. You're gonna watch me walk down. That's how you do your videos, right? You walk, and people record you. You're gonna start on my hair, and then you're gonna back up, okay? Ready?
Oh, Jésus, fais ta langue, vieux, une pile là. But, et quoi ça marche? Quoi ça marche, Vivi?
And then, come on, you have to do it back. You have to go back.
Oh, Vivi, m'a marcher comme ça. Pas un saut avec un fréquent. Oh. Comment marcher comme ça? That's a lie. M'a pas menti là. Menti pas la donne. Oh.
This sock looks nice.
But me me kote mpren la.
This made it look.
It looks nice.
I
You
can't
just
put
need
this-
black boots.
Come on, let's go take a tour in your closet.
What closet? My closet that's upside down? You must be crazy. Fais mon Facebook a sacrifié pour closet ça. Allô?
Boom.
Oui.
Boom.
What?
Boom.
Bonsoir, chérie. Ou besoin de lipstick là, on va passer sur site là, maman.
Comb up the hair. It's a little black.
Last time we get mini set on sale. I've been trying. I don't know why I can't place the order. So
Qui ou pas de mini set là, maman?
I've got online phone
Ou pas de li, chérie, last time. Ou pas que j'aime de li?
No.
Ou vlon mini set tout bé?
Vlog mini set parce que je voulais supporter.
Okay, baby,
I'm
so-
happy talking to you right now. Wow.
So, ou chaud. So, besoin mini set avec on blonde mat?
Yes, dear. Yes.
Okay, love. Ba me fel pour.
Oh, matter of fact, where's the blonde marks? Let me put some on.
Li en bas.
Where?
Dans sachet, dans mache, beaucoup mettre, beaucoup prendre, non? Al prend blonde mat là, vous mettez vrai, non? Al prend en bas, ba mache, ba ma lavo.
You coming? You following?
Oui, ma follow, Veronica, ma follow. Même,
Qui l'ont appelé Jean-Jean encore?
Mboko kone non amour, mboko kone chérie. Mais ma PC pour moi amour.
All right.
Ma PC pour moi chérie.
Oh boy.
Merci. C'est comment les chouchou? Comment love? Comment? Okay. You got it?
Where?
It should be in the black bag on the table. Yeah. Ok. Tá numa, oui, chérie. Et qui j'ai signature? Qui signature, love? Ok. Just take one. Et bon adresse dans cocotte, s'il vous plaît. Donne-moi mon ma chérie. Donne-moi. 13,80. Stone. Mountain. Mam téléphone, love. C'est sous même adresse à 40 ou enregistré tout, love? Ok, bébé. Ou mettre bon numéro 4 là. On va bon par 4, ok? Oh my God. Donne-moi, chérie. Ok, on te dit que c'est Michelin. Faut que moi encore. Adresse là. Put it stronger, put more. 13. Hein? Ouais, là, c'est W-A-Y? Ok, chérie. Bah, moi, zip code là encore à moi. Bah, mon téléphone là encore petit cœur. Ok, baby, on met bon moi carte là. Bon moi pas carte numéro. Expiration. 3 numéros derrière. I can't read the comments. I don't know why.
Because you're not on comments.
C'est un crédit card lié, moi. Or debit card? Okay, sure. You can talk to them, baby. I have to go finish talking to them. Show them the lipstick. Talk to them about it, how it is, how does it feel, and everything.
Oh. Whew. Well, actually, it's getting kind of hot under this thing, so I'm gonna take it off real quick because it's hot. Excuse me. I look bald-headed, but it's okay. Oh, let me walk this way instead. There's more good lighting. Okay. So, the lipstick, right? It gives you a nice, little pop. The color, it's amazing. It's more of a glossy type of look. So if you're going for a matte type of thing, I mean, it would be nice because you can move your lips in this and not have it all stuck together or whatever, Look. Ooh. Would you look at that? Nice. Gives you nice, good-looking tinted lips. I don't know what else she wants me to say, to be honest. Kinda lost track. Oh, hi, Veron.
What are you wearing?
What? You don't like my outfit? Recording. We're live. What?
Oh.
Here's the model right here, the guy in the white shirt.
You mean the cameraman?
Yeah.